The opioid epidemic continues to take its toll all across western New York.
And tonight we have new numbers on the deaths seen in just a little more than 2 weeks. News 4's Jen Shantz is here with those numbers tonight. Jen.
Well, Jackie, 10 more people have died from suspected opiate-related overdoses since that emergency press conference last week when county leaders announced we'd lost 7 people in just 24 hours. Now, this brings the grand total to 17 people dead since March 29th. County officials can't confirm these 10 additional deaths are directly related to that bad batch of heroin that killed the first 7. But these new numbers are yet another sign that western New York does not have a handle on this epidemic. Today, Erie County Democrat Patrick Burke announced a resolution to move $1 million from the county's general fund to the health department in order to boost beds and treatment options for addicts seeking help. Burke says given the fund's balance of nearly $90 million and the continued spike in the death toll from opiates, he doesn't expect much of a fight from other county leaders on this. He submitted the resolution to committee today.
The issue often is that there are some beds available, but if you're uninsured or underinsured, you don't have access. You virtually, if there's a bed and no one can use it, it means there's no access. If someone is sick in Erie County, it affects everybody. While some may argue there are enough beds, what does that actually mean? We need to make sure that there's beds available and that people can actually use them.
Now, the question here is how much of an impact $1 million will actually have on this problem. I spoke to an addiction specialist today who tells me on average, depending on the specific services the patient needs, the cost per bed per day at a detox or inpatient facility ranges anywhere from $300 to $450. News 4 has spoken to dozens of local addicts struggling with how to stop. Affordability and bed space has always been one of their top concerns when it comes to getting clean. Live in the newsroom, Jen Shantz, News 4 at 5.